Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing about auto flight system philosophy. As you can see that there are auto flight system comprehensive diagram is here. So we discuss from the initial one. You can see here two side sticks, one for captain side, one for first officer side, and also there is a button. You can see here, this is instructive button, or the priority switch is also called. So it is for the auto flight disconnect, autopilot disconnect switch, you can say, or priority switch, the same one is here. So these two side sticks give signal the auto flight control system computers. This is control system computers. There are 5 computers in this system, ELAC 1, ELAC 2, SAC 1, 2, 3. So there are 5 EFCS system. So these 5 EFCS system control the whole aileron, elevator, rudder, spoilers, and so on. So these system control the whole system. So this is normal system. When we operate with the side sticks, it gives the signal to the electronic flight control system, and then it goes to the signal to the rudder and etc. So when we give the signal to the through the side gives to the ELAC and SEX, and then ELAC and SEX control the whole aircraft. This is simple system without the auto flight system. And when we control the and also we can see that there is a FADEC. Like when the autopilot is not engaged, no problem. The FADEC signals generated by the normal system of the auto flight control system. Like here you can see when the side is signal to the ELAC and SEC, and they control the flight controls, and at the same time these signal goes to the FADEC, and then FADEC controls the parameters for trained when the autopilot is not engaged. Also we can see here this is pitch trim control, manual control. So manually we can control the THS with this this pitch trim control, this pitch trim control. So we can control the pitch trim with this again I tell you, this is the pitch trim control lever, and the side is for the captain side, and first officer, they move simultaneously. So whenever we need to control the pitching of the trimming of the pitch through the THS, we move from here to control this by manually. So we can use this pitch trim control. It has priority over the auto flight control system. Let's suppose auto flight control system is engaged, and we move this pitch trim control lever, so it will command the you can see this control of the THS. Otherwise it will THS will control the CS system, ELAC and SEC. And what next now we go to the auto flight system. You can see here this is overall auto flight control. In this system some external signals are, you can see these signals are inertial system, radio navigation system, so many systems are there. So these all system input goes to the auto flight control system, and in the auto flight control system here this computes the orders computation, aircraft position computation, primary flight plan, secondary flight plan, etc. So these are so many works they do. And on the right side see that the flight plan, so it will go from the FRZ, it is a name of an airport, I don't know what is this, Narok, Jan, Top, Roka. So this is the our flight plan. We have to go here, like this. It's flight plan, and to go through the flight plan, we need to control the flight controls automatically. So auto flight control system, this one controls the automatically movement of the flight controls. And here you can also see aircraft position and flight. These two gives us these two the combine resultant we can see here in the form of the orders. Then the orders are generated, and orders give to the flight control system. So we again more sorry for disturbance. So now we discuss about the auto flight control system computers. There are two systems in auto flight control system. One is autopilot 1, the other one is autopilot 2. Autopilot 1 or 2, whichever you want, you can engage, no problem. It is autopilot 1 or autopilot 2, but in some cases autopilot 1 has priority. So autopilot 1, let's suppose auto flight system, autopilot 1 system is there. So if we say autopilot 1 system, it has two computers, one FMG, one FAC. It combines the auto flight control system number 1, and the FMGC 2 and FAC FAC 2 they make the system number 2. Now we discuss about the only one system is enough. Let's suppose autopilot 1 system is engaged, then the FMGC is working, FMGC number 1 is working, FAC 1 is working, and then it gives the signal flight control system computers here. At the same time it will give to the you can see this FedEx system, and when it gives the signal to the electronic flight control system computers ELAC and SAC, then it gives the signal to spoilers, elevator, rudder, etc. And with the FedEx it gives to the engines. Very simple system. It's here, and these thrust levers, you can see when the autopilot is engaged, the thrust will be calculated by the FedEx with the help of the auto flight systems computers like FMGC 1 and 2. So it's all about that.